Gatho muno ni undu wa gucoka. Samido ni acokeria anene ake na korwa kirutira mashabiki ake a way forward after muthenya wa ira hanene acio ake gukorwo makiruta warrant of arrest ni undu wake kurega kuripoti wira kuria Gilgil after leave ya nduku 10 iria rakihetwo niguo a perform kuria UK. Most Kenyans muthenya wa ira believed ati anene acio a Samido maramuhuthagira niguo kugeria kunina maruru ma a Kenya about Albert Ojwang's death. Kona aige ni marakorirwo makiuria how Samido would have left the country without anyone knowing. Kona akoretwo agicabithia show ciake na his whereabout nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaneria. Samido na anene aya ake maronekana magithakanira muthako wa cat and mouse. Kona after his warrant of arrest Samido akorwa kirekereria kalenda yake ya shows kuria USA akionania ata ndagukorwa agicoka guku bururi-ini anytime soon, tondu show yake ya mbere ikajia date 21 mweri uyu wa June up to July 12th. Koguo ena mieri igi hata gukorwo agikinya wira na mushara wake ni twagikondirwo tukiona maabitha acio anene ake makiuga ni maurengete na maragikorwo makiuga wona aga gucoka wira ni agukorwo agikio ngono na aikio thiini. No Samido onekana kumacokeria akimera we ari busy na ndari na time ya inegene ringi na korwo kiendeka akiuga no matter how high an eagle flies up the sky it will come down to look for food. Statement eno ya Samido kuri anene ake kihanana na iria Moses Kuria haramandikiire after kuruta warrant of arrest ya Samido. Kuria arakorirwo agipost bisha eno ya Samido na Gachagua na arauga acio maragagia Samido mamenye wona wa munyoro ona State House mwaka wa 2027 Samido might be their boss and send all of them home.